Okay, so the next constraint that I want to discuss is very straightforward. It's the not null constraint. So for this, let me give you an example. Let's say I want to insert, let me insert this row, and I'm going to duplicate this and put 2, my Postgres 2, and let's say I put null here. Insert into course. Okay, my relation course does not exist. I don't know why it's doing this. Oh, okay, I dropped the table. My bad. Okay, and it has inserted these 2 rows. And as you can see here, I have a price with 20 and I have a price with null. Now, if you see here, this check has been passed with true because it has ignored this null, and null means it's an empty space in memory, but this is not correct from an application, real application perspective. You want always to, of course, to have a price. Maybe a discounted price can be null, but you always want to have a price. So for this is the not null constraint, which is basically like this, not null. I just put here this, and let me drop this table and create it again. And now let me try to insert this, and you can see it violates this not null constraint. Now if I type here refresh, you see here that I have this check, this course price check, and I type here properties, definition, okay, price with equal with 0, and it doesn't says that it's not null. This is basically a double, this column has double constraint. It also has to check if the price is greater than 0, but it also wants to be not null constraint. So basically this is a very easy constraint which you can apply to your tables. Now if you think about other columns which you must specifically want to be not null, probably the name. You want the name to be not null, and you can also have this this constraint. I will drop it again, create it again, and insert. Let me try to insert here null, and it will fail. And let me put here 20, and it will fail on the name column because I specified, hey, I want this to always have a value. And this is the not null constraint.